learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
东市的客家人因为原乡在广东的大埔县，口音以大埔腔为主，跟台湾常见的四线腔、海陆腔不同。每年元宵节夜晚，酱寮巷附近的鲤鱼伯公庙会举办新丁板节，由今年家中添丁，不论男婴、女婴或新婚者，在次年元宵节制作红龟板祭祀，由工会大店发给最大最重者奖金，激励参加者大胎办。每年不乏一块红龟板，重20-30斤。或数十块叠在一起，令人叹为观止，也吸引许多游客参与。
Hey, what's up? How are you doing, Nancy?
Pretty good.
You know, this whole month we are hanging out in Taichung in an area known as Dongshi.
It's beautiful here.
Yes, it is. And there are a couple of things that are unique about Dongshi. First of all, they speak a dialect known as Dapu.
Right, one of the many Hakka dialects.
Yes, you know, because there are 6 dialects in the Hakka language, and Dapu is very popular around here. And what's also special around this area is they celebrate something on an annual basis, but during Lantern Festival here, known as 新丁板节 or 新丁板.
新丁板.
新丁. Ding is more like a child.
Oh, not like nail and hammer.
No.
Okay, I thought it was
does sound like that, doesn't it?
It sounds like carpentry or something.
No, it actually means Xing is new, right?
Uh-huh.
Ding is like a child, a newborn baby, basically, coming into the family festival.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a baby shower.
Actually, is a baby shower,
right?
Isn't it?
So it's basically just like a party celebrating the miracle of life and an incoming baby, and giving gifts.
Absolutely, you're right. In the Western culture, we have a lot of different kind of showers, right? There's the bridal shower, there's the baby shower.
Right.
We all look forward to that. And to celebrate together, the villagers actually have food together, and that's where the ban comes in. Ban is actually the rice cake that they enjoy together when they have this, whole festival together.
Right, because when you have a party, you gotta have food.
Oh, yes. Food is culture, fun, and party. And again, this takes place around Lantern Festival. So if you have time, if you have a baby coming.
Not at the moment.
Let's go together. All right. 好，现在有请 Leo 要教我们这些客语了，好不好？
好。
就是这边大埔腔嘛，对不对？
太普强，
大埔腔。然后，添丁就有新丁板要吃啦。新丁板怎么说？
新丁板，
新丁板不是新店哦，是新丁哦，新丁板。好，现在多学了几句客语。And there you go. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka on Icrt. 俺自say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.